Hello everyone, we are from Mary Moffat Kids. Today our experiment is on static levitating pencil. A basic information about magnets are each magnets have two poles, that is the north pole and the south pole. When you keep two magnets together facing the same sides, that is if you keep uh, two magnets of the same phase, that is the north pole and the north pole, they repel, and when we keep the opposite poles facing to one another, then they attract. Means the north pole and the south pole attracts. In other words, like poles attract and unlike poles repel. These magnets are attracted to other metals like iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. And a magnet is always covered with a force or the surface called magnetic field. So, shall we start with an experiment? For this experiment, I need a foam sheet with 3 slits. The first one is a smaller one, the other two are bigger. I need pencil, plastic strip with 3 holes inside it, 6 ring magnets. So, first sharpen your pencil and make a slits in your foam sheet. Insert the first ring magnet almost to the end of the pencil, that is the 3/4 part of our pencil, and leave some gap and insert the second magnet, that is almost to the it should be near to the tip, that is it's a quarter of the pencil. Now bring the edge of the one ring magnet close to the front magnet of the pencil. If it get attract, then insert the magnet into the foam sheet. Now take the second magnet and do the same. Our second magnet also attracts the first ring magnet in our pencil. Now take the third magnet. Do the same procedure with the third magnet to our last magnet in our pencil. Bring the magnet near to the backside magnet. If they get repel, insert the magnet inside the foam. If they attract, revert it and try it. See, it is attracting. So reverse it and then try. See, now it is repelling. So insert the third magnet to our foam sheet. Try with the fourth magnet. Do the same procedure with our fourth magnet. And insert it into the foam sheet. Now place your plastic strip to the foam sheet. Now adjust the position of the magnet in the pencil. Front magnet should be aligned little behind the front magnets of the foam, and back magnet must be exactly on the top of the back magnets. Once done properly, pencil will levitate very nicely. You should insert the tip of the pencil to the holes which is there in a plastic strip. Can you observe? Our second magnet is exactly in between our two magnets which we have fixed in our foam sheet. They all three are in the same line. And our first magnet which we have inserted in the pencil is little behind to the two magnets which we have fixed to our foam sheet. Now carefully insert the tip of our pencil to our plastic strip. Can you observe a pencil which is levitating in the air without having any support of any object? This is a method by which an object is suspended in the air with the support of a magnetic field. The two primary issues involved in this is the lift force and the stability. As you all know, lift provides an upward force which is sufficient to levitate our pencils and it is within the gravitational force of our earth. And stability ensures that the system does not flip or slide spontaneously into the configuration where the lift is neutralized. Stability force is provided due to the attraction between the magnets and the friction force at the tip of a pencil. Lift is due to the repulsion between the magnet in a foam sheet. Friction force at the tip of a pencil and gravity help us pencil to levitate in the air. The main point is to remember about this levitating project is the attraction and repulsion of our magnets. Here the front two magnets attract the ring magnet which is attached to or fixed to our pencil, and the back two magnets repel to the magnet which is fixed in a pencil. The first two attracts the first magnet and the second two repels the second magnet. Thank you one and all. Hope you all enjoyed our experiment.